Giselle Tan once again. Layug. And Eliza Valdez is now becoming a factor on defense.
Probably, if she can't really have a higher percentage sa pag-atake, then contribute somewhere else.
Well, she can. On defense naman talaga. Alam naman natin yung gano'ng katangkad. She's about 5'9" also. Dorog. Nahanap ang butas. So UP trying to stay close. Ito na si Jewelay.
Good serve.
Combination play for Valdez. Good shot. Eliza Valdez restores a 7-point lead para sa Lady Eagles over the University of the Philippines sa ating second technical timeout of set number 4. Pakinggan ulit natin si Coach Jerry Yee.
Meron akong bago. Tignan nyo na naman yung frustrations. Gusto nyo pang ilakas. Hindi nyo nilang ipasok. Pagbabahay yung palo nyo. Nakalaba kayo. Frustrated na naman. Ulit-ulit mo. Lalaro lang kayo. Ang dami nyo gusto dito.
Kasi sabi ko lang, yung kanina yung kanina. One tap muna. Hey, ladies! Girls! Nice lang, guys.
One, two, three.
So let's take a look at this ultra-fast pipe brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. The two angles on this one. Coming from Ateneo's Eliza Valdez. That's an art form, ano? Pag-ihiwalay mo yung depensa, tapos kung kailan magkikita ulit sila nakatira.
Yeah. Kaya nga, malaking role ang piniplay ng setter doon because yung setter kaya rin niyang fool the defense
Right. 4 service errors now for Eliza Valdez. Justin Dorog. Valdez. Tan. De Leon. Short. Layug puts it away. 16-11 Ateneo. Dorog once again. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Tan. Inangat. Maraginot. Kept alive by Estraniero. Kabila, Molde, lusot kay De Leon. And De Leon, siya sa bunutan sarili niya, kaya lang, mahirap daw ikabit ulit yung kanyang clip.
Kaya di bali na lang.
Oo.
O, yung tenga na lang doon. Yun na lang pipikutin niya.
It is a timeout now by Ateneo.
Ayma, warm up.
Hey! Karecha lang. Hi! Pagpitin yung bola, one step.
Dukutin mo kasi yung block mo, malayo.
Outing, you believe me.
Kaan tayo?
Outing, tong boxing.
Tulungan lang tayo sa count.
Uli, jump.
Tulungan tayo lahat. Let's go tayo together. Hey!
Happy, 1, 2, 3.
They're happy they're still in the lead right now. Pero UP has cut down that 7-point lead to just 4.
That's right.
Justin Dorog once again.
And so far, UP has only 5 attack points and 6 errors. So that's 6 free points for Ateneo. Although 6 errors din naman na nakumit ng Ateneo dito sa set na to. Maraginot adds another point. Well, to her statistics.
Well, coming off a timeout yun, that's a good response for Joanna Maraginot. Now Bea De Leon. Up to serve. The 18-year-old, ay nakaka-birthday lang pala ni Bea De Leon noong August 2.
Yeah, and I think it's Ella De Jesus' birthday today.
Is it? Wow, we'll check that one. Here's Maraginot into the net. Ella on the 17th. Right. So happy birthday, Ella De Jesus. Well, actually, on August 15, Angelica Legacion ang may birthday.
May birthday. Okay. Ang dami celebrate ngayong August,
pati si Rica Jolan
Yeah.
ng NU. So 18-13, Kim Hekiliana. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Mula nung tinayo siya from the bench, hindi na naupo. Lai, Molde. Too near. Molde cannot convert. Maraginot nakabuelo. Block point for Diana Carlos.
And UP finally able to read the attacks of Maraginot.
Well, it's about time also for the Maroons. Kanina pa sila pinupuntusan. So now, 18-14. Ateneo still up but only by 4. Carlos, pwedeng palitin. Tan. Maraginot.
May swerte pa rin.
What can you say? Naabangan
eh.
na. Pati yung net tumulong, nahulog pa rin paloob. Maraginot now back to serve. Lai. Buitre.
Oh, that's outside.
These hitting errors are going to do UP in. Unless ma-address nila yun ngayon, mahaba pa yan. 20-14. Lai, tinawid. Valdez. Lai, kabila. Molde. Nakaabang naman si Ahumiro. Molde again. Alaysa. Wow!
Down the line hit for Valdez.
Winning time now for Ateneo, and they will go to the captain. (21-14) Alaysa Valdez. Gusto na tapusin ito, wag na paabutin ng 5th set. Service ace for Maraginot. Si Maraginot, kailangan mag-file na ng certificate of candidacy ito eh.
Oh, palang...
Pwede nang manalo to ng kahit na anong gusto niyang posisyon eh.
Oh, good serve again.
Brought across. Here's Ahumiro. Nalunod.
Set was too high.
So 22-15. Let's see if UP can cut into this lead. Molde. Good serve. Valdez. Napatingin na lang si Isa Molde sa kanilang bench. Sabi, paano ko pipigilan yon?
Again, sobrang bilis ng bola.
Right. Rongo by Papa Ahumiro. Good serve. Lai against De Leon. Lai won. Valdez again. And Ateneo has dominated set number 4.
It's now match point here for the Lady Eagles.
Siyam na match point. Ahumiro serving for the match. Valdez puts it away. Teka muna.
Oh,
What
net
was the call?
violation error
Hindi daw.
sa UP. So the point goes to Ateneo.
And Eliza thought it was her with the net violation. So Ateneo takes this win, but not without a fight from the Lady
Oh
Maroons.
yes, definitely. It was a good game played here by the Lady Maroons. At ang pinakaba nila talagang Ateneo eh.
25-15 in the 4th set. Nakuha po ng Ateneo this one in 3 sets to 1. May kita natin na ating shake and play sa dulo. It was still Eliza Valdez who put it away for the Lady Eagles. So they are still undefeated. Ito po kupunan ng Ateneo de Manila while UP is still in search of their first win in the quarterfinals. Now, we send it over to Trisha Robredo with our very magical Shakey's Player of the Game.
Okay, so Joe, nakwento sa akin kaya ni Coach Party na galing ka daw sa trangkaso pero ngayon ikaw pa yung player of the game. How is this possible? Anong mga preparasyon yung ginawa mo?
Siguro nakatulong yung rest tsaka mas nakapag-concentrate ako kasi inisip ko na parang hindi pwede akong magkasakit, kailangan ko makabawi sa team, ganun.
So, kanina naman medyo nagka-problema kayo during this match. Ano naman yung nangyari sa huddle at ano yung ginawa ninyo para makabawi?
Sinunod lang namin yung mga sinabi sa amin ni Coach Ty na yung ginawa namin sa training kung paano ang defense ang gagawin, tsaka yung blocking, ganun.
Okay, so congratulations again, Joe, for being player of the game. And we present you this box of Shakey's, syempre, from Shakey's Pizza. Ngayon naman, may gusto ka bang batiin?
Happy birthday kay Ate Els. Tsaka, hi Bea. Sa family ko, kay mama, sa kapatid ko, sa friends ko din, kila papa, ganun.
Okay, thank you very much, Joe, and congrats ulit sa Lady Eagles. Back to you guys.
Joanna Maraguinot, player of the game. Lady Eagles still undefeated. At dyan po magbabaka sa aming paghatid sa inyo ng this matchup in the quarterfinals of the Shakey's V-League. On behalf of Tricia Robredo and my partner, Miss Cavite, Ivy Remulla, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!